Hey everyone, this is a random gratitude. I always insisted you to tell you the gratitude to the hands as soon as you wake up. Say gratitude to your hands and legs, and also the say gratitude to the universe, to the God, whoever you pray that for giving me another day to me write a new chapter of your life. So let's see what is the chapter I started today was the gratitude. Gratitude to my helping hands. Who are my helping hands? Like, the people who come to my house to help me and support me to do my household work, because that sometimes is needed for me at 10%. Like, I need somebody to support me in my minimal household works. Rest of the works is always needed, that I always personally feel that we have to do our household work and cook for your family. This is a basic thing. I love this and I enjoy it. So, but the importance of the helping hand is very important. If they are not here, and it is difficult to manage your setting timing, you're always set with your schedule, your work has been allotted. So I thank you, universe, for bringing the helping hand, people who help us in our daily routine. Thank you, universe, for bringing us sending the allocating the people who just come to press my clothes. This is like we have a dhobi ears, and she pressed the clothes very very well. So we're just thanking universe for that. People, this is thank you universe for the staff, housekeeping staff, who really does the cleaning work of our society and the flats. That's very important. That's without them cleaning, and it's not possible to stay in the clean atmosphere of our life. And thank you universe, who just people who come to collect our garbage. That's very important. If they are not collecting the garbage, and the house will become a garbage center, then it's very difficult for us to listen. So you have to be thankful to the people who comes and clean your house, clean your surrounding, clean your flats, and help yourself in your day-to-day routine. That is very important in life. Sometimes just whenever you need it, people are there with you. Thank you universe for bringing with near to me, bringing around me all the people who I really love, and people come and support me whenever there is a needed for me, whenever they are people. Thank you universe for all my friends and neighbors and family members, and being with me whenever I needed them the most. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the physical support, and thank you for all the emotional support you're given it. So this is a random gratitude. You can thank anybody who will come into your life, to whoever is helping you, is emotionally they're supporting you, emotionally there's physical, they're taking your daily routine, supporting on your daily routine, whoever cleans it. That's very important in your life. Say thank you universe for everything you have been blessed with happen. You have to stay with. Sometimes the happy moments are there, sometimes sad moments are there, but still every moment teaches you a lesson. So learn the lesson, move ahead, try to move ahead your life with a smile. And one more thing, the life is just it's a stage of drama. What happens when a play, in the stage, what we do, we stand and perform every different characters. Once we come out of the stage and we become our own self, that's how it is, like everybody. So that's a big thing. We'll discuss in the next video. See you. If you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel and hit a like button to it. This is Shanti from the live series. So do connect with me for the guidance. Do connect with me for your any healing techniques. To keep observing, following my channel, so that you will get an update of next upcoming events and the programs, whatever I do. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. Love you all.